Right, greetings one and all. It's David Caden here. Me, David Caden, that is me, writer of songs. And this is one of my naughty little numbers. It's called Ching, in brackets 10 Hail Marys. Here we go. Ching was in love with cousin Jack, darling. With Jack he said he'd love to have a royal fling. Jack told him I'm smoking foreign for a ring, and anyway that ain't the way I swing. King wanted Jack to bugger off, he wanted Jack to bugger off, he wanted Jack to not say anything. Jack told the local priest at his confessional, I can't stop thinking sexual things. I'm tempted, very tempted by the joys of flesh. The joys of flesh my buxom girlfriend brings. The priest said, Satan, Hail Marys, you must Satan, Hail Marys, Satan, Hail Marys, for your sins. Jack's girlfriend told the priest at her confessional, I'm into highly sexual things. I'm tempted, always tempted by the joys of flesh. The joys of flesh my buxom girlfriend brings. The priest said, Satan, Hail Marys, you must Satan, Hail Marys, Satan, Hail Marys, for your sins. Now there's a moral to this ditty I do tell. In the name of God in rock and sea, there are many paths of virtue and there's roads to hell, but it's the path of love that sets you free. Saint Hail Marys, for your sins, Saint Hail Marys, or you will be damned for eternity. Lord forgive me, I must say 10 Hail Marys, yeah, I must say 10 Hail Marys, for my sins say 10 Hail Marys, yeah, I must say 10 Hail Marys, I must say 10 Hail Marys, for my sins say 10 Hail Marys. Count to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Jack, Queen, King. I dedicate this song to Jack, his buxom Queen and King. Dear Ching, lucky in cards, but can't have everything. Oh, there we go. So close, but just, a few mistakey poos. Never mind. I will see you next time. God bless.